Check it out, y'all. We got another 600. It's a 06 model. It's all kinds of fucked up. We're gonna fix all of it. It's even got a rod on this side. And the block right here, you can tell where the hole's at. But I've already got another engine for it. So we're gonna fix it. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. Yeah, stay tuned, man. What y'all think I should do? Stunt bike, drag bike? I don't know yet. We'll see. Project bike. We got the other engine in. And I actually bought a new harness for it because the old harness is pretty fried. Yeah, guys, we're gonna change all this shit out. You see how everything's just mangled? And, I mean, it's just like torn apart. Yeah, it's gonna fix all that. The front for the headlight and tachometer and everything, this was like 30 bucks on eBay. That one was like 100 bucks, and it came with everything, fuses, everything, even a new ECU. It was like 150 bucks on eBay, so been pretty good so far. All right, guys, this is a moment of truth. I'm gonna try to crank it. Should be in neutral. This will be the first time trying to crank it after I put the engine in. Oh, look at that. Cranked right up. Alright, guys, let's check it out. Unboxing. Wow. Very nicely packaged. Look at this. That's this lower Suzuki sign. Just like that. There's a girl right there. And this is gonna be the before. I'm gonna take these out of the wraps right here, and I'll be right back, guys. And wow, guys, look at this. The finish on these is so freaking good. Look at that shine. Oh my god, it's got a pearl metallic in there. This is going to look freaking awesome on that bike. Alright, boys, we got it running. Get the piston out. Sound good, baby. Oh man, it feels good too. The tires are flatter than my ex-wife though. Oh man, gosh, he rips, dude. That is awesome. All right, guys, what's next?